What if reality doesn't exist? Until you look at it. Sounds crazy, right? But according to quantum physics, this isn't science fiction. It might be our actual universe. Let's talk about a theory so mind-bending, it makes the Matrix look like a documentary. Alright, picture this. You're chilling at your desk, maybe munching on a snack, when you hear about quantum mechanics for the first time. You dive in, and it hits you. This is the realm of science where things are so weird. Even the scientists are like, wait, what? One of the wildest ideas? The Copenhagen Interpretation. Sounds fancy, right? Let's crack it down. So, in the quantum world, everything's fuzzy, unpredictable, a cosmic guessing game. Imagine you've got a cat, Schrodinger's cat to be precise, inside a box. According to quantum mechanics, until you open the box and check, the cat isn't just alive or dead, it's both, at the same time. That phenomenon, it's called superposition. Here's where Copenhagen swoops in like a plot twist. Developed in the 1920s by Niels Bohr and his buddies, they said, at the quantum level, reality doesn't make up its mind until you look at it. Seriously, reality waits for your eyeballs. Observation isn't just seeing, it's any measurement, any interaction that forces the system to choose. So the cat jumps out of its zombie-alive limbo and becomes either alive or dead the moment you peek. But wait, doesn't that mean reality depends on whether or not it's being observed? Yep. Quick pause. If you're loving these brain-bending ideas, hit that subscribe button. I post one deep dive video like this every week, plus 2 shorts packed with philosophy, physics, and mind-blowing facts. All right, back to it, because this rabbit hole gets deeper. Before you look, particles exist in a haze of probabilities. Everything that could happen is floating in limbo all at once. But the second you check it, boom, the universe picks just one outcome. It's like reality is undecided until you get involved. This messes with our heads because in everyday life, things seem super predictable. A ball thrown in the air follows a path. A coin lands heads or tails. But in the quantum land, nothing is certain until it's observed. That raises some big questions like, is the universe deterministic? Do things only exist when we're looking? Are we, in some wild way, shaping reality just by being here? Not everyone loves the Copenhagen interpretation. Some scientists think it's too vague, too magical. There are other explanations out there, many worlds, hidden variables, but none as famously puzzling as Copenhagen. So next time you flip a light switch or even blink your eyes, just remember, in the quantum world, reality might be waiting for you to notice before it decides what it wants to be. Is that spooky? Maybe. But it's also incredibly cool. Because the universe is way weirder than we ever imagined, and that, my friends, is what makes science so much fun. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe at Chasing Sunsets 49, and stay curious because we're just getting started.